Ma'am, it is showing, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Sairam students. So today, before beginning our topic, we have to close our eyes, join our hand, and let's chant Omkar 3 times. Om. 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 Sairam. So children, today we'll discuss Chapter 1 Shapes and Space, and the topic is nearer and farther, and nearest and farthest. So let's understand the term first. What does it mean? What does it mean nearer? So if an object is close to us, then we can say it is nearer to us, right? For example, this is a notebook. It is, and this is a phone. Can you see? So one object is close to me, one is far from me. So which one? This notebook is close to me, so I can say this notebook is nearer to me. And this cell phone is farther from me, means away from us. So the farther means away from us. Next term is nearest, which is very close to us. Suppose three objects are there. For example, this pen, notebook, and this phone. Okay. So what can you see? Can you see this notebook is very close to me? This pen is little far from me, and the mobile phone is very far from me, very much far away from me. So this phone is here farthest, and this notebook is nearest to me. It is very close to me. To understand the term more clearly, let's see the next slide. Here the topic and the picture is from our NCRT textbook only. Can you see this picture, children? Yes. Here, what can you see? You can see house, trees, road, right? And two birds also. So can you tell me which bird is nearer to home? One is brown color or orange color, you can say, and one is purple color. So can you see my cursor? Yes, this bird, the purple color bird, is close to the home, and we can say it is nearer to the home because it is close to the home, so it is nearer to the home. And this bird is away from home, so it is not nearer, it is farther. It is written as, what is the spelling of farther? Farther. Now let's see the next picture here, children. What can you see? A rat and cat, and this is also one another cat. So pick the cat farther from the tree. This is a tree here. This is one cat. This is another cat hiding behind a stone. Right? So which cat is nearer? Sorry, farther? This one. Yes, because this is away from the tree and this one is little close. So the object or the animal here, the cat is away from the tree, so it means it is farther from the tree. So what we'll do, we'll take this cat only. Now next, let us understand with this picture nearest and farthest concept. Okay, so this is a hut, and here this is a man, a girl, a dog, a cat. So four living beings are here, right? So which one is nearest to the hut? Nearest means, as we have seen already the meaning, nearest means very, very close. Okay, so this man is very close here to the hut, right? So we can say this man is nearest to the hut. What about this And what about the farthest one, children? So see, farthest means, as we have already seen, farthest means is very far, very away from any object, from us or from here we are talking about hut. So who is very far from this hut? This small cat is very far. As you can see, if you will come out from this hut, first you will meet this person, this man. So it is very nearer. You can say nearest here, and second this girl, third this dog, and the last one is cat. So it is very far, and we can say here it is farthest from the hut. Okay, let's see another slide. What you can see here? Dinosaurs. Yes, so there are three dinosaurs, and this one is looking quite big. Why it is looking quite big? Because it is close to us, it is nearest to us. And when we say nearest and farthest, when there are more than two objects. Here there are three animals, so we'll say this dinosaur is nearest to us, and so it is looking very big also in the picture. And this one is farther, quite farther, and this one is farthest. So it is looking very small, you can see in the picture, because it is very far from me or from your screen. So it is looking very small, and this is looking very close. So it is nearest, and this one is looking very small because it is farthest, very away from us, right? So hope you have understood this concept. Okay, so let's see this picture. This is also from our NCRT book. Which tree is nearest to the bird? So small bird is here and three trees you can see here. So which tree is nearest to the bird? First, second, third. As you can see, the bird is here and very close. Which tree is very close to this bird? This one, the first one. So we can say this first tree from the right side is nearest to the bird, because it takes very less distance. No, this bird can go very easily and in very less time, because distance is very less here. So this tree is, and this tree is very close to this bird. So we can see this tree is nearest. And if I'll ask which tree is farthest from the bird, so you can easily say, as you have understood, so the any object which is far or which is quite away from the object we are talking, and we are talking here about the bird. So which tree is farther or farthest? This tree is farthest. And the second tree we will say this is the farther from the bird. Okay, farther, this is far, this is nearest, and we can say this is farther, and this is the farthest one. Okay, now I have one worksheet for you. Before okay, let's see. Circle the animal that is nearest to the tree. You can see one tree here and three animals are here. So which one is nearest to the tree? So guess everyone. Yes, I know you all have given the correct answer. The lion is nearest to the tree because this lion is very close to the tree. So it is nearest to the tree. All right. And which is the farthest here if we'll talk about? Yes, this fox is the farthest one. All right. So children, I want to show you one video to make it more clear. I'll want to show you a video. Just wait a minute, children. Yes. So this is from our Tata Edge class. Let's see the video to understand near or far.
It's a bright sunny day. What a nice time to play. When I call out to G, Ashi will hear. Ashi says in a house, Sonia. Chicken is fine. So he can't come
Ma'am, is it audible?
to play. Can you see that car? Chicky, how is that car?
So see children, here again this video explaining when things are near, when things are very close to us, it is easy to see and we can say it is nearer to us, right? And if things are not easy to see, then we can say it is far from us.
Just like this cute little honeybee.
This honeybee was near to us, so we can see, we were able to see it. But now, let's see the
Things
another
that are
example.
far are hard to see. Just like the flowers on that.
So see this tree. Can you see this tree? Yes. But the flowers, can you see the flowers? Which color flowers are there? No, because this tree is very far from this place. So it is far away. So it is not visible. We are not able to see it properly.
Tree. Things are near or things are far. It's just things are near if they are easy to see. Just like this cute little honeybee.
So remember, when things are near, it is easy to see. When things are far, it is not easy to see them. Okay?
Things that are far are hard to see.
Are hard to see.
Just
Yes.
like the flowers on that tree. Things are near or things are far. It just depends on where you are.
So, how you can say this thing is near to us or this thing is far from us? It also depends where we stand, where we are. It also depends on our position, our placement, right? So, it always depends on our position. Then we can only say this thing is near to us or this thing is far from us. Okay, now let's see some exercise. Look at the picture and answer the questions. Wow, a puzzle, some activity for us. So this is a classroom picture, classroom scene, children. What you can see here, a teacher and some students. Now what is the question? Use a red crayon and circle two students near the blackboard. All right. So what you have to circle and with which color you have to circle, that is very important. So we have to circle with red crayon, and what you have to circle, two students you have to circle which are near to the blackboard. So easily you can say yes, these two children are near to the blackboard. So let's do this activity and we'll choose red color here. Okay, and we'll circle them. First this boy and second this girl is near to the blackboard. All right, let's see the next question. Use a blue crayon. Which crayon you have to use? That is very important here. Blue crayon. And what you have to circle? And circle two students far from the windows. Okay, so you have to circle two students with blue crayon, but from which object you have to see, which they are far from windows. So where is window first we have to see. So here are the windows and which students are far from the window? These two. So we can select blue color and we can circle them. Yes, number one, number two. As they are sitting at the last of corner of this bench, so both are far from this window. Okay, all right. But as we have already learned farthest also, so we can, as we have understood the concept, when there are more than two objects or pupil, we can say farthest. So here these two are farthest from the window. All right, yes. So let's do the next one. Yes, wow, what a wonderful activity here it is. What is the question? Let's see. Look at the picture and answer the questions. Very colorful picture it is. Chalkboard, notepad, chair, table, bag, pen, pencils, notebook, scissors. All right. So what is the question? Take the object near the pair of scissors. So you can see the scissors here, and what you have to do, you have to circle the object which is near the pair of scissors. Pick the object near the pair of scissors. As you can easily see here, this sharpener. We have three options here down. Sharpener, book, table. So this is sharpener, this is a notebook, and where is table? Let's see in the picture. Here it is a table. But which object is near to the pair of scissors? So of course, yes, your answer is correct. This sharpener is near the pair of scissors. So what will tick? Will tick sharpener like this. Yes? Okay. Now next question. Tick the object farthest from the chalkboard. Tick the object farthest from the chalkboard. Let's see the chalkboard first. Here it is chalkboard. And which object would be farthest? As you can easily see, this pair of scissors would be the farthest because it is very far, very away from the chalkboard. So we can tick scissors. Okay, so our answers are correct or not? Let's see the correct answer here. Yes, correct answer. First answer is sharpener, which was near to the pair of scissors, and second option was scissors. Both answers are correct. Congratulations, children. Okay, let's see the pin the tail game. Okay, here is an activity for you children. You can take half sheet of paper or small paper, whatever you like, whatever you wish to take, and then draw or stick a picture of a donkey. You can draw also, you can stick also. What you can draw a stick? Picture of a donkey without a tail. You should not draw the tail or you should not stick the tail part of the donkey. Okay, then what you have to do? You have to mark a red big dot. You have to mark a big red dot on the spot where the tail are supposed to be. जहाँ आप tail बनाना चाहते हो donkey की, वहाँ पे what you have to do? You have to put a big red mark and you have to what you have to pin now. The important thing is pinning. So take a 20 centimeter long piece of thick red ribbon and put a thumb pin on one end of it. You can take a ribbon and you can pin it at the at the place of tail, and you can make the tail of donkey. So this was the activity. What was the name of the activity? Pin the tail. I hope you enjoyed this activity, right? All right. So we have covered everything. Okay, children. Thank you. Sai Ram. That was in the topic. Thank you, children. So we'll do Shanti part. Close your eyes, join your hand, and let's chant Shanti part. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you, children. Take care.